In front of me is Nokia 9 PureView, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off app notifications. You need to begin by going into Settings and tapping on Apps and Notifications. Following that, select Notifications over here and then scroll down. Tap on See All from last 7 days. Click on Most Recent and pick the best option for you. I will go with Most Frequent. Lastly, just click on the switcher next to one of your apps from which you want to block them. You can turn them back on the same way. You can also just click on one of your apps located on the left and then manage all notifications thanks to this switcher next to Show Notifications. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!